Hey guys, welcome back to the Pawsome Cookie Saturdays. So today we'll be doing the 5 things that Cookie loves to do most. Cookie, say hi! Come on, say hi. Behalf of Cookie.
And this is
Okay, so remember to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications on this video. Remember to like, subscribe, okay? So this is how you do it.
And also, if you haven't watched our latest video, we're gonna give you a sneak peek. And by the way, I am
Golden Key, the cameraman. Alright, so this is how you subscribe and like. So first, you got to either your laptop or your phone, turn it this way so you can see the subscribe button. Then press the subscribe button and make it gray. You must see the subscribe and then press the bell and make it ding with all notifications. And remember to like. If your like button is gray, make it blue.
okay.
Yeah, so that will help us to reach our goal of maybe
Subscribers,
yes.
tell you.
And I hope this video will go to 250 likes.
That's impossible. We only have so less subscribers.
Yeah, but maybe.
Please grow now.
Yeah, just
Go tell your friend. Go tell your
Yeah.
Go tell everyone that you know.
yeah. And then if they have a YouTube account, just tell them to subscribe to our channel. There's no holding back. Alright, so let's get on to the video. Oh wait, we have to show them the. Alright, so this is the sneak peek of the last week's video. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we are gonna cut the video.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Alright, that was a sneak peek.
Go to that video to see what happens. And the video, what is it called, Jazel?
Video is called Pawsome Cookie Saturdays vlog #2. Then this is the actual one. Halloween DIY costume fashion show party.
And remember to subscribe.
Do it right now. I'll give you 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it. So if you did it, give me a like.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's get on the video. And by the way, the theme for today is blue. So if you're wearing blue, remember to like this video because the like button is blue also. Because when you turn it on, yeah, even the carpet is blue. Even the background is blue. Even the chair is blue. Do you even see it? Even Golden K's shirt is blue. Wow! But I'm not really blue. See? See, my design thingy is blue also. Alright, Cookie, come on! Oh, by the way, let's cut the video and we are going to show you the next thing that Cookie loves to do most. Alright, let's go! So the first thing that Cookie loves to do most is sleep. Remember, there was once she actually slept like for the whole day until when we came home. It was around like 10 when we came home. She was sleeping. I was so like confused.
Okay, so now it's every picture of her sleeping.
And the next thing she loves to do most is eating eggs.
Eggs.
And eggs is one of her favorite food.
What fruit? Oh my god.
Actually, one of her favorite fruits is actually like, it's like, what's it called?
Durian.
Yeah, the durian, like the, what's that yellow part?
I don't know. She likes to eat durian.
Yeah, she loves to eat durians, but she sometimes have a stomach ache, so we rarely give it to her now.
Yeah.
To prevent it, you know.
Granted, you know.
Yeah. And she loves to eat a type of treats, and yeah, maybe we can give
And
her
here's a shot of her eating some eggs. Woo! So right now we are actually cutting the egg. Okay, I have to cut it to very small pieces so that Cookie can eat them.
Okay, now Cookie is waiting for the egg. With a tear on the tea tray for some weird reason. Why? Okay, now Gordon is giving the egg for Cookie. This one I give her back. It's not me, it's not. Don't need to do say anything. Eat. So cute. Standing on the tea tray. Okay, we'll let her continue. So the next thing she loves to do most is to play, especially with our hands. And she likes to bite us, but it's very like soft. Those bite is very soft and I love it. It just reminds me of like,
But sometimes she does bite too hard and we bleed.
but that's only rarely, come on.
When she's too excited.
Yeah, she's like really like engrossed in playing, she would usually do that. Right, Cookie? Yeah. Alright, so let's show you how we play with her.
Likes to bite a lot.
So this is the belly rub that we just did, and the first one was hand play. So now we are going to be doing the last and final thing. Is that right? Is that the last and final thing? No. The second last and final thing, which is when she meets people. Ready? Let's open the doors and she will just run out. There she goes! Go, go, go! Alright, so the last and final thing she loves to do is being hugged. So this is how we hug her. Oh. And well, this is the end of the video.
And she'll also help you. Actually, she doesn't really like hugs. She likes to follow you around.
Yeah, she loves to follow us
Okay,
around.
that's just a sneak peek of maybe last week or next week, maybe next week. I said it wrong. Next week, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, we will see. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and
get ready to see next week's one. And also remember to
like
subscribe
and turn on all notifications.
and remember to comment down below.
Yeah.
And go watch our other videos.
And remember to like all the videos too. We have seen that none of you really like them. Only like 6 people like the previous video.
Yeah, we have like 44 views and like 6 people like the video.
Yeah, how dare you?
Okay, don't scold them. Oh my god.
Okay, actually, thank you so much for liking them.
And hope to see you again. And please subscribe.
Yeah.
We want to grow this channel.
Yeah, we really want to make this channel like a big hit.
Because it's a cookie.
Cookie is famous in eating and playing and
being
sleeping
cookie.
and yeah, just love cookie. You know the fun fact is that her favorite food is actually biscuits
No,
and chips.
she doesn't like it.
She loves chips.
No, she does not.
She does.
No.
I'm the owner here. You don't know anything.
I know a lot.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah.